YouTube? Welcome to my channel, RDX here, and I've got a little small 2-haul to show you guys. A couple things that I picked up, and let's open them up and see how they are. Let's see. First item here is we've got the Dominator 6-piece professional hook set to get you know, for seals, radiator hoses, different things. Found them on sale with Napa. Part number is 6002. Says they are assembled in the USA. Global components. You know what that means. Alrighty. Seems to have a good solid rubber handle. It's got a striking cap. It's got a black oxidation type covering to keep it from rusting. Got some oil on it. Feels good in the hand. Alright, let's move to the next one. Next thing is we got a Easy Red 7-piece battery maintenance kit. Comes with the battery terminal spreader and cleaner, battery pliers, a 5/16 side terminal ratchet, a 10mm side terminal ratchet, an extra large long 5/16 terminal ratchet. Has a 4-in-1 battery terminal and cleaner, and a battery terminal lifter for those stubborn ones that won't come off. These are made in Taiwan. All right. Grips feel good. Feels a little chinchy. Three different sizes. And then we have the cleaner. Part number is a BMK1914. Okay, next things, I picked these up at Home Depot. These Demolition Screwdriver set. You have a Phillips and a flathead straight edge. Have the shank so you can grip a wrench on it. Feels heavy, good quality. Has a sulfur black plastic with the red being the harder plastic. I have the DeWalt Demolition screwdriver. Also, let's see how it compares. Let me hold on just a second. Yeah. All right, we have the DeWalt. It has a smooth round. Here they are, side by side, and actually the Milwaukee is quite a bit taller than the DeWalt, and it's heavier. Striking caps have the slotted, so if it's in your tool bag you can see it easily, where the DeWalt doesn't. Just holding the two. This Milwaukee feels a lot more heavier duty. The shaft on the driver itself is thicker. Looks like there's has a coating on the tip. I think they both were on sale. I believe I paid like $7.99 for the Milwaukee, and probably about the same for the DeWalt. But there is a quality difference between the two, and a size difference too. I found this on sale at Sears. This is a totally new item, or I haven't seen it before, but it is this is an impact screwdrivers. where you actually has a spring on the inside, and every time you hit it, it has like a 12 degree of rotation. And this is it's a Craftsman, and it's also it's made in Japan, which is interesting. Japan normally produces some fairly good quality products. This is a part number 98616. So open them up and see how they feel. All right. Feels good. It feels heavy. You know, feels like it's made for striking. There's your striking cap. Obviously, this is not made for big screws, but for those small rusted in fasteners. This might just be able to get you out of a jam one time. Sale price was $14.99, so I couldn't pass that up. That's just an excellent price for, you know, for a headache that this could save you. I mean, obviously compared to the Milwaukee Demolition, I mean, they're not demolition screwdrivers and they're not advertised. It's just this has that when you whack it, you just get a little turn, 12 degree turn. So I haven't seen these. I haven't even seen anybody put these on YouTube, but very there's good quality. That's some good quality there. Feels good in the hand. All right, and let's see, we got one other thing here. I've seen these new Kleins. They are made in the USA. 4 times stronger. Part number is a K12055-SEN. They're heavy duty wire strippers. They have a, I don't know if you can see that, but they have like some serrated teeth in there for like grabbing, pulling, and that's you can definitely feel that. Definitely these feel heavy duty in your hand. Nice and smooth action. Compare these. Let's compare these with the Milwaukee and another pair of Kleins. All right, we have two different. We have the Milwaukee and the Klein, and I use both. Of course, I just got these, so I'm curious to see how these are going to work out. These are a little bit lighter duty, but if you notice with Klein, they have that curved handle. and it feels good in your hand on both sets. I mean, that curve, it feels better to the hand. And if you're stripping wires all day, it's just a little more comfortable. The grip feels softer. This grip does feel a little bit more heavier, but or harder, but it still has a soft feel. If you notice on the Milwaukee's, the grip is harder. They are more heavy duty than these. This has just it has a spring and it has a latch, and then these are also heavy duty. It has these are also made for reaming, but if you notice, the handles are straight handles compared to the curved handles. Both seem to be good quality. I mean, I got no problem. I've had no issues out of these Milwaukee's. I use them daily, as well as, you know, the Kleins. There is a cost difference. These the Kleins are going to run you about $30, a little less on the lighter weight, and the Milwaukee's are like $19.99. So it's about $10 difference in them. But this is a nice heavy duty pair. These are more heavy dutier than these. Definitely could pull some wire. You definitely could pull some wire with that. And that just about does it. Thank you for watching, and like, subscribe, tell a friend. We'll do some more tool hauls. Y'all have a great day. Thank you.